What else is active in today's trading session? And there are loads of stocks that are buzzing in trade, but Sun Pharma, that's the stock that's the cynosure of all eyes. It's been a steady performance. Yes, Muralidharan is the CFO now joining us on the show. Thanks so much for being with us on ET Now. Let's begin with your US business because excluding Taro and specialty sales, there has been a good sequential pickup. Can you help us understand what has led to this and what's the outlook for your generic business?
Generic business as such, I would say, has performed well, except for what we have talked about, the impact on account of halol and marketability issues. There were some sales of Revlimid, but not significant contributor, and these sales were episodic, as stated in yesterday's call.
Your India business posted a double-digit growth, which clearly has led, was led by price increases. How is it that you see your volume growth supporting your performance in the second half of the fiscal, and then what's the growth outlook here?
In the quarter, we said that India business has done well across the various therapeutic segments. The growth is supported by both new product launches and by incremental volumes and to some extent by price.
Any update on plans to acquire the remaining stake in Taro, which you spoke about in the last quarter?
So at this point of time, Taro being a public company, we will be unable to comment more on this acquisition of shares, remaining shares of Taro. However, as we have shared, the Taro's board has appointed a special committee, and currently they are working on it, on Sun's proposal, and we do not have any further update beyond that.
So tell us about some of the upcoming launches as well on the specialty sides of the business. What kind of revenue opportunity are you looking at?
So as far as specialty sales in the current quarter is that about $240 million. We have done about 19.3% growth over the corresponding quarter previous year. And as of now, in H1, if you look at our sales are about 471 million, again growing about 20.2% over the corresponding H1 of previous year. Full year last year, we did about $871 million in specialty business. And all our key products, Ilumya, Cequa, Winlevi, are contributing to this growth.
So by when can we expect the potential launch of Ilumya in China?
We have said that yesterday that the product has been filed and we are working on it at this point of time.
Right. Any comment you wish to make on the US FDA warning for the 26 OTC eye drop products, and how is it that you see the situation right now?
I think this was responded in yesterday's call also. So while some of the companies, you are right, has got some warning from the regulator on the OTC products, but doesn't mean that they'll be vacating the full market. We need to wait and watch how the market unfolds.
Okay. We are also hearing the highest number of drug shortage in the US market, and on the generic side, largely it is concentrated in injectable. Is that true according to you?
So as far as the product market is concerned in US generics, the market continues to remain as competitive as it was earlier, and pricing is specific to product portfolio what we carry with us at this point of time.
And so are you just telling us that the competitive intensity has not really reduced and there hasn't been any major pricing improvement?
What we are maintaining is that pricing is a function of the product portfolio what we carry, and at this point of time we are not experiencing any change at our end.
All right, good to have you on board. Thanks so much for taking time out and joining in. Those are some of the key takeaways from the management of Thomas Cook.